Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of my unboxing videos. Today we're going to be looking at the 2023 Club RunDisney box. If you're a membership, you get these packages sent to you. They just started sending these. I wanted to open it, but I wanted to wait until I could share it with you. So let's take a look at what's inside. Right off the top, nice black box, plain on all the other sides, but you do have an embossed Club RunDisney logo on the front here. So it's got Mickey Mouse on it, along with a C for club, I would imagine. Nice box, plain on all sides. You could use it, it's sturdy enough that you could probably use it again. It's got a magnetic closure if you wanted to keep some things in here, any of your Disney souvenirs. You could use it for that, but primarily just a plain disposable box for most intents and purposes. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So this is the 2023 Club RunDisney box. They do cross calendar years. The memberships start in October. The first RunDisney race of the year, or the club year, it would be the Wine and Dine Festival, and then it ends with the Springtime Surprise. So this is considered the 2023 membership because it started in October of 2023. And so right off the top, the first thing we have is our membership card. And I am just a silver member, as you can see here. So there are 3 tiers of membership. You can go to the website and learn about that, or I'll probably produce another video explaining what Club RunDisney is and the different membership tiers. But I am a silver membership, which basically just gets me the tangible things here. The other membership tiers get you some things on site at Walt Disney World or at the Run site. So the membership card doesn't really do anything. It's just for you to keep as a keepsake, but at no point during the races are you ever asked to show your membership card. So what else do we have? Welcome to Club RunDisney. With this official membership kit, not only do you get to enjoy the status that comes with being part of such an exclusive community of runners, you now have the swag to show it off proudly. Cheers to the miles of magic to come. For a reminder of your benefits, please visit rundisney.com. And so the next thing we have under here is our 2023 Club RunDisney magnet. And you could use this on your fridge. Oh, it's a magnet. You could put it on your fridge, put it on your car if you're more daring and you really want to show off to the other runners. And then we also have a virtual 10K medal. So along with the Club RunDisney membership does come with a virtual 10K, and you get the medal. And this is quite a hefty medal, actually. Much heavier than last year's medal. I did join Club RunDisney for the first time in 2022. Holy smokes, this thing's heavy. So let's take a look. It's a nice little medal there, and this spins. RunDisney medals do have some pretty good medals. I have to give them that. So what does it say here? 10K. It's got Mickey running, but yeah, that's a heavy medal. Holy smokes! So there you go. You get an entrance to a virtual 10K, and you really should still do the 10K even though you got the medal already. And then this is the big item that comes with it, is the jacket. So let's just take a look. Club RunDisney 2023. That's pretty nice. Very heavy, this one. So again, I've been a member since 2022, so only one previous year. Last year's jacket was pretty nice. It was white. I was afraid to wear it, get it dirty, but it was very lightweight. People online have been saying this one is much heavier. It's a hoodie. I don't think it's rain resistant, but it's definitely a heavier duty jacket for colder runs, I suppose. But so you get the hoodie. Nothing on the sleeves. Oh yes, you do. Club RunDisney logo on the sleeve there. And Club RunDisney 2023 on the front. And I don't think there's anything special with the liner. Up the club member on the zipper here. It does say club member right there. And so let's take a look inside. Yep, slight insulation liner. But there you go. So that's everything that comes with the Club RunDisney 2023 package. Hope that unboxing helps you make a decision to join Club RunDisney in the future. See you out there running.